Whoa, this is a long, voluminous drawstring ponytail, girl. Welcome back to my channel to yet another ponytail video. I'm starting with fresh, clean hair. So all I have to do is go in and grease my scalp, add some castor oil to the ends, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and straighten it out a little bit and get it molded up into the ponytail. Now I've done that process many times here on my channel, so we're not gonna waste too much time. We're gonna go ahead and get right into the ponytail process. And this is a drawstring video, so stay tuned. Like it, but I have it straightened out. It's combed out. I can run my fingers through it. It's good. It's good, trust me. So today in this video we're going to be trying out the Tymo HC100, and this is that straightening brush, and y'all know I love a straightening brush, so we're going to go ahead and give this one a try and see how good this one is. And if we like it, I'll leave the link to it down below in the description box. Okay, this one is very, very nice. I love the sleek design. I love the LED lights, and I love the way it feels in the hand. This one is really, really cool. So I'm really, really excited to be using this one. Again, this is by Tymo. This is the HC100. Really, really nice. Feels good in the hand. I love the way it looks. Matte black and purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors, just in case you didn't know. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So we're going to go ahead and run it through the hair and see how it performs. Now, in the packaging, it did come with the velvet travel case, carrying case, storage case. Came with a few clips and a thermal glove. Working with the HC100 by Tymo, it just takes a little longer, especially if your hair is thick. You have to use smaller sections to run it through these fine little grooves in the straightening brush. Just takes a little time, but it straightens really, really good, but you just have to use smaller sections. Now I am done forming my base. And then I flicked me a little baby hairs, put my face on. Now we're ready for the ponytail. This is the ponytail here. It's by Free Tress Equal, and you know it's a drawstring ponytail. This is called Crush Girl, and she's 36 inches long. So I'm really interested to see how this looks. It looks pretty on her on the package. So it's like a long, crinkly, wavy type texture. So yeah, this is it. Let's go ahead and see how she looks on. Now I usually like these style ponytails because they do last a long time because they're curly and they have texture when it comes to my synthetic like drawstring ponytails. Okay, she's cute. It looks different than on the pack, which is a good thing because to be honest, I'm not really feeling the way it looks on the package, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get bigger though with wear, especially if I touch it a lot. But I typically don't play in my ponytails or my hair throughout the day like that. I'm not like a finger comb or a hair flipper all day. I don't do that. But yeah, she is long, girl, 36 inches. So let's go ahead and put her on. Y'all already know my style, you know my technique, and that's gonna be the move for today, girl. I'm gonna do it the exact same way. Right now I'm just taking off this little tag. So if you're familiar with my ponytail videos, you already know how I do my pre-wrap, as I just showed you in previous clips and previous videos. So I'm gonna insert the combs into my hair right above my pre-wrap, but you can do it wherever you see fit. Whatever works for you. Once I have both of the combs attached, now you pull the drawstring. Just like that. Quick and easy. And I was questioning this ponytail because it's so long and curly. Looks like it'd be getting in the way, but I don't know. I think I can rock this today for work. It's cute. So cute. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Loving it. And this is in the color number 2. So this is Crush Girl and the number 2. Now with that string, I am going to cut it shorter because a lot of people were suggesting that I cut the string because it is so much. I'm going to cut it a little bit and pin the rest because this is a lot of string that they give you. It's a little overkill. Though I've never cut them before, I just always pinned it up to where it isn't seen, or you can just wrap it around the base of the ponytail as well if you're afraid of cutting it, because I would hate to cut this string and then I have a problem with the ponytail, or I can't get it back on my head because I didn't cut too much string. Though that shouldn't be a problem, but you never know. So I think that's what I'm going to try. I'm just tying it right around this top part to where it won't be seen, and then I'll tuck it with a pin. You just got to get creative. Use your little noggin, girl. Use your noggin. Think of something that's going to hide that string and work for you and your hair, and makes your hair still look cute. Like for me, that just worked. And with my method, you can flip the ponytail to either side. If you like to wear side ponytails, you want to keep it towards the back, you can do that. It just works. But yeah, this is so long. Look at that. But it's super cute. I love it. Let me know what you think. Again, this is Crush Girl 36-inch ponytail from Free Tress Equal. I am feeling it. She's really, really cute. Though, ooh, this length though, it is crazy long. Crazy long. This is more like a party ponytail going out to the club. Birthday hair. So pretty. So big. So pretty. I don't know. I think I might save this for my birthday. But this is beautiful. It's just big. Great party hair. So I think that's what I'm going to reserve this for. Because it's so long, guys. She's cute. Let me know what you think. Again, this is Crush Girl 36-inch ponytail. Pick this up from divatress.com, so be sure to check them out over on their website, as they have all types of ponytails, wigs, weaves, whatever your beauty needs are, honey. Divatress.com has it, so check them out. Loving it, loving it, loving it. But meanwhile, let me know what you think. I'm gonna finish getting dressed and getting ready for my day. I'm still wearing my sleep shirt. But yeah, let me know what you think. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video.